Myself, Yuvraj Sonone, Associate Professor in Botany, Mahatma Gandhi Vidya Mandirs, SPH, Arts, Science and Commerce College, Nampur. Today, I am going to teach types of megaspore tetrads and types of embryo sacs. On the basis of arrangement of megaspore in a tetrad, the megaspore tetrads are classified into the following types. Linear tetrad. In this, all megaspore are arranged linearly, one after other in a line. For example, Elytraria aculis and Myriophyllum intermedium. Second, T-shaped tetrad. Here, dyad form after meiosis first. Show transverse division in lower cell and vertical division in upper cell. This results in the formation of a T-shaped tetrad. For example, Rumex and Rhizome. When transverse division occurs in the micropylar cell of the dyad and vertical division in the chalazal cell of the dyad, and inverted T-shaped tetrad is formed. Isobilateral tetrad, for example Musa, tetrahedral tetrad, for example Fastica japonica, and decussate tetrad are also not uncommon in angiosperms. Female gametophyte, embryo sac. Structure of typical embryo sac. The functional megaspore represents the first cell of the female gametophyte. It is mostly chalazal and grows mainly along the micropylar chalazal axis. As the functional megaspore grows, many small vacuoles appear in its cytoplasm, which latter join together to form a large vacuole. The nucleus undergoes 3 mitotic divisions and form 8 nuclei. Subsequently, these nuclei are reorganized. One nucleus from each group at a pole migrates to the center of the cell. These 2 nuclei are called polar nuclei. The 3 nuclei left at the chalazal end are surrounded by walls and form antipodals. Of the 3 nuclei located at the micropylar end, one serve as egg or female gamete and the other 2 as synergids. These 3 together constitute the egg apparatus. The whole structure with 2 polar nuclei, 3 antipodals, 1 egg and 2 synergids is the mature female gametophyte or embryo sac. Types of embryo sacs. According to Maheshwari in 1950 has classified the embryo sac of angiosperm into 3 main types. Number 1, monosporic embryo sac. Number 2, biosporic embryo sac. Number 3, tetrasporic embryo sac. Number 1, monosporic embryo sac. A single functional megaspore is involved in the development of the embryo sac. Monosporic embryo sacs are of following two types: Polygonum type and Oinothera type. Polygonum type of embryo sac. This type of embryo sac develops from the chalazal megaspore. Its nucleus divides thrice to form 8 nuclei. The whole structure with one egg, 2 synergids, 2 polar nuclei and 3 antipodals. This embryo sac was reported for the first time in Polygonum divaricatum by Strasburger in 1878. Hence, it is named as Polygonum type. Number 2, Oinothera type of embryo sac. This type of embryo sac develops from the micropylar megaspore of the tetrad. It is 4 nucleated. The embryo sac gets organized into an egg apparatus and a uninucleate central cell. For example, Oinothera. A bisporic type of embryo sac. Here, 2 megaspore, either chalazal or micropylar, are involved in the development of embryo sac. Bisporic embryo sac develops from one of the 2 dyads formed as a result of the first meiotic division of megaspore mother cell. One of the dyad degenerates. Both the nuclei of the functional dyad takes part in the formation of embryo sac. Each nucleus undergoes 2 mitotic divisions, and as such the mature embryo sac is 8 nucleate. The 8 nuclei are organized into antipodals, egg apparatus and polar nuclei as in Polygonum type of embryo sacs. Allium type of embryo sac. In this case, the chalazal nucleus of the dyad is functional. For example, allium. Tetrasporic type of embryo sac. This is a unique type of embryo sac development in which all 4 megaspore nuclei are functional and involved in embryo sac development. On the basis of the behavior of the functional megaspore nuclei, tetrasporic embryo sacs are categorized into the following 7 types. Number 1, Peperomia type. Second, Pinia type. Third, Plumbaginella type. Fourth, Adoxa type. Fifth, Plumbago type. Sixth, Drusa type. And seventh, Fritillaria type. Number 1, Peperomia type. The 4 haploid nuclei of Cynomegaspore undergo 2 successive mitotic divisions forming 16 nuclei. Of these, 2 nuclei at the micropylar end form egg and synergid. 8 fuse in the center of the cell to form a polar nuclei, and the remaining 6, which are cut off by membranes at the chalazal end, may be compared with antipodals. Thus, the egg apparatus of Peperomia type is characterized by a single synergid. For example, Peperomia. References. Thank you for watching video. Like and subscribe my channel.